The AKJia Hydraulic Manufacturer uses fully automated CNC machines for production, with strict quality control in place. During production, each batch is subjected to a 120 sampling inspection. If any discrepancies are found, production will be immediately halted for rectification. Before semi-finished products move to the next processing step, they undergo a 110 sampling inspection of their appearance, length, outer diameter, inner diameter, etc., and the quality inspection results are recorded by product batch.